All right. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to a behind the scenes video of our St. Mary's basketball team Media Day. Media Day is a day where we go out and we take pictures, kind of like an intro video for everyone that's involved in the team, whether it's from freshmen, JV, and Varsity. We take pictures of the team, have interviews, have guys doing some action videos and action dribbles and handles and all those good things, just to kind of make it like a hype video for the season. So this is what we're gonna do on this video. We're gonna take you guys behind the scenes of our 2023-24 Media Day intro hype video. Some great action. Shout out to Grand Studios for being able to capture the video footage. Shout out to the team and everybody that's involved with putting this great Media Day presentation together. Hope you guys like this video and be on the lookout for all our Media Day promotions, and also get excited for the 2023-24 basketball season. Again, this is Coach Turner, St. Mary's basketball program, St. Mary's basketball team. Media Day video. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll check you guys on the next video. Hey, now we can't be in here trying to kill ourselves, man. Let's go. There he is. Dimitri. What you looking forward to this year,
Man, I'm finna go 20, averaging 20. That's it. That's all I need, for real. 20 and 10 assists. That's what I'm looking for. And we going undefeated, for real. Shit.
Make a name for myself. Play my part. Hopefully we can win the state championship.
Hey, you know I was coming to you. What
playing defense all year. Couple points a game, you know what I'm saying? But mainly defense this year. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too special, trying to get a little notice.
Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up.
You already know what's going on, man. Media Day, man.
Media Day.
It's gonna be podcast.
Look at Big Kid.
Hey, gotta give y'all on the camera though, bro. City, man, you know, follow me on Instagram, man, 304_.cam, you know, man. Give me right, bro.
Drop your socials, man.
Marvel books, something like, yeah.
Coming soon. Man, it's that time.
Kaden.
Drop your socials, man.
K1X on the Instagram. Man, Kaden waiting on TikTok. It's that time. Kaden waiting on TikTok.
What is it?
Kaden waiting.
Josh, go ahead, man. Drop your socials, man.
With a five.
Drop your
North
socials.
City Corner 1X, man.
Hey, baby.
Your phone, Demetrius 3X_.
Holy shit.
PSN drill, man.
PSN drill.
Trail to go no more. Big Tommy, drop them socials, baby. What you got?
Just my name. It's just Tommy Kurz.